Yo, what up, guys? Let's jump right into it. Sorry. ACON. Let's check it out. Yeah, we're gonna go for this at 33. All right, order in for 33. It's already out of shares. Very low on shares. Yeah, no more shares available. So it is pushing here. It's currently pushing 31. That's a new high. So there's no more shares available. We'll keep the order in. Hopefully we get filled. I have a dark green dot here, meaning it's not going to get filled immediately. But it does appear like it is starting a bull flag here. So order in for 33. Hopefully that hits. Let's refresh. That's all I really see for now. Let me just double check. But yeah, looks like ACON. Really the only thing moving. There's a MOLN, but that's it's kind of low float. Don't really trust that. All right, so yeah, ACON. Really the only thing moving here post market at the moment. Pretty slow post market to start. So it says there's shares available, but I have a dark green circle. That's really weird. All right. Cool. So we will come back to this. Let me just hit the refresh one time real quick. All right. We'll come back to this. Cool. All right. Let's do a proper intro here. Ding, ding, ding. What's up, YouTube? My name is Ty, financial professional, stock sensei. Welcome to my channel. Yes, today is Wednesday, January 3rd, 2023. I'm your host, Ty, and this is Smarter Speculation. Yeah, what up, Ken? What up, Low Roller? What's up?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thanks for being here, guys. Appreciate it, as always. Yeah, ACON already pulling back. That's pulling back down at 26, so that already looks done, unfortunately. Maybe not, but even if it's not, probably not going to get a fill, so yeah. Not really expecting too much out of that. And Bitcoin tanking today. Feel bad for Alibaba guy, his SOFI stock tanking. Yeah, Bitcoin is tanking today. There's a reason for that. We got some news coming up here. Stay tuned for that. Probably the biggest reason as to why Bitcoin is tanking. Crypto is tanking. And I'm not exactly sure. I forgot how big the position was from the Alibaba guy. But yeah, not the greatest start for the bulls in 2024. You know what? But it was pretty predictable. We could look at SPY in a second here. But anyway. So yeah, pretty slow post-market so far. Just ACON. And don't have too much content for you guys today. Pretty slow day. So as always, we'll be doing our daily stock and crypto reviews and my plays today. Live rainbow bearing, all that good stuff. Today we got two articles. One about the Fed minutes about December. That's pretty important. And then some news about crypto and Bitcoin ETFs. So two articles, shouldn't take too long. Today for the TA, as you see in the title, we're going to do BETS. Ape still love that stock. Kind of getting tired about talking about that stock, but Ape still love it, so we'll do it. And we'll also do SOFI, SOFI. AMC was up there, but didn't have over 10%. I think it was down like 7.5%. So we'll skip that. But we'll do BETS, bets, and SOFI, and anything else you guys want me to look at. And we only have 2 YOLOs today, and one of them's a meme, so that really shouldn't take too long at all. So not too much planned for today, guys. Shouldn't be that long of a show, unless, there's a lot of chatting and rainbow bearing, but doesn't appear to be so far. ACO1 is up to 30 now, so it's coming back here. All right, and that's all I got. It's actually kind of hot in here. Take the hat off. That's a first. All right, I got his portfolio update video today. All right, if we have time, I think we'll have time. We could take a look at that quickly. All right, let's go. Back to 31 on ACON, 32 now on ACON, 33. So it is pushing here. Again, no shares available, so hopefully it keeps pushing and get a fill up there somewhere. But all right, let's go. And before we begin, please like the video, please subscribe, and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Speculation Show. Camera's a little off here, but that's all right. Got to fix that for tomorrow. Let's go. All right, so yeah, ACON over 33 now. Pushing 34, so hopefully it stays up here and I get a fill. Other than that, really not much else going on. We'll do a refresh, but yeah, that's it. ACON pushing 34 here. All right, so yeah, we'll come back to this. And let's get to my plays today. Interesting. All right, my plays. So really, really good day. Excited about this. So sorry to your Bulls, not the greatest start to 2024, but quite good for Rainbow Bears. You know what? Matter of fact, let's look at SPY real quick. Just show you how ridiculous this is. So SPY ripped from 410 to the high of 478 in 2 months. That's pretty absurd. That's pretty absurd. So and the RSI is already back down to 55. Interesting. So I do expect a little bit of a pullback, maybe not all the way back down to 420 or whatever, but yeah, kind of expected a pullback. Anyway, let's get to my plays. So ACON pulling back a little bit here. Okay. Trade. Give me a second. Got to update here. Cover this. All right, I think we're good to go. So 18 plays today, and still holding 16. So taking on quite a bit of plays here, but that's all right. All right, let's do it. So SSNT up 650, HRYU up 705, STTK up 215, TPIC up 300, PBLA up 300, MDVL up 235, LTRY up 265, ROI up 2960, BHG down 450, SASI up 460. TPHS up 130. ABVC up 640. NEXI double dip there. Currently up 2K. MTIC down 300. And big gut today was PYPD down 1200, 1220. BREA up 700, and I set the I triggered the algo there because the cover was at 75. It bounced off 75 and went right back to 80. So partially filled there, but still trying to cover the rest. QLI covered that. DOGZ covered that. No gains there. KIQ made $1,000 there, and CLEU made $1,000 there. So let's see here. 600. So as of right now, I'm up over 7K, almost 8K, 7,600. So massive day for me. I needed this. Needed this. This is the first day in a long time where everything just pretty much went right. No threat of getting squeezed out. Just very chill day. Printing attendees, no stress. So hopefully things get back to normal here, and don't get squeezed out every 2 days. But yeah. So lots of green for me today, and not over yet. Hopefully we can print some more a little bit here post market. But yeah, as of right now, 76K. Let's go. All right, yeah, Nexi is still pulling back here post market. And I think I'm just pretty set up for tomorrow as well, with TPHS, ABVC, MTC. I like it. All right, let me clear up here a little bit. Actually, that's it. All right, let's do another scan. Interesting. MOLN is getting quite a bit of movement now. All right, we got action. AREN. This one's going to take a little bit more. Going to short this at 323. All right, so all right, I just put the order in for 323. It's actually getting up there pretty quickly. It did hit briefly 1 minute ago, so I kind of missed it. Hopefully it comes back up. But yeah, AREN, no news, but up quite a bit here post-market, currently at 310. So again, my order, hopefully it's a bull flag. Otherwise it would have been a 1 minute window. Very difficult to catch this, but looks like it's consolidating around 310. Hopefully it goes up a little bit more. We get filled, and then it can tank. But yeah, AREN going here. ACON's pulling back. We got something else here too. SLNA. All right, we're getting some action now. SLNA. Oops, wrong button. All right, we're going to go for 27 on SLNA. I got filled on something else. You hear my stomach growling? Cool. Alright, so 27 on SLNA, currently at 22. I did get filled on AREN, partially. I didn't get full filled there. So I guess I'm triggering the algo again. I got mostly filled, though. Wanted 1,300 shares, I got 1,100. Alright, so, yeah, so AERN already pulling back, ACON pulling back, and SLNA kind of weak. Don't know if that's going anywhere. So AREN. So I guess either way, bull flag, I can get fully filled. I'd rather a tank, actually. Let's see here, 2.3. Probably going to cover this at 250, 252. Yeah, it's already pulling back. So that was a very short window to get in that one. Alright, so still have 200 more shares to get at 323. If not, got the order in to cover at 252 there. Already up 300 bucks on that one. Nice. SLNA is chilling, but hopefully that gets a leg up. Alright, and with that, I think we can move on with the show here. So AERN looks like it's consolidating around 3 now. MOLN, the bid ask is scamming. Yeah, it's pretty wide. Very, very low float stock. I wouldn't really encourage going for that. Oh, it's better now. 595, 605. So that is a lot better than before. The bid ask was like $1 off. Something like that. Alright. So you wouldn't hear Ken on AERN or what? Probably not, because I triggered the algo on it. You're in at 550, so scammy. Oh, man. Yeah, careful. It's low float. It's low float. So, can be very dangerous. AERN looks like $3 is now critical resistance. ACON is coming back as well, pushing 30 again. No funds, still holding BREA. I mean, you're up on that, right? You can cover that. That's also very low float. You know, only had 370K shares trading there, and I did create the bottom at 75 there. What's this? DXF, getting some action here. DXF. I guess we should put an order in for that. This ask is very scammy too. Yeah. Very wide, very wide. That's what happens with low float stocks. You gotta be careful. High risk, high reward. AREN is pushing back to the upside, so probably gonna get a full fill here. Hopefully it doesn't moon on me. Alright, one more scan and we'll continue here. SLNA already pulled back. ACON pushing 30 and AREN up to 330 now. I just got fully filled on that one. So the stock to get right now is AERN. Not financial advice. Okay. So I think we'll come back to this. But it's starting to run. So it was up 300, and now I'm down like 250. But all right, here we go. Good luck to me there. Let's continue on with the show. If you guys haven't yet, please smash the like button. Please and thank you. Did I break the scanner? I might have broken the scanner. I hate it when it does this, bro. Come on. There you go. Oh, man. AERN is running now. Not good. Not good. Alright, looks like it's... I don't want to say anything. But pretty volatile. Hopefully it's not a bull flag. Alright, let's get to the watch list. We'll start on the green side. Let's do this first. So the Dow Jones down 0.76%. NASDAQ down 1.06%. And SPY down 0.82%. So overall, pretty bearish day. Pretty bearish day, especially in tech once again leading the way. But everything was down quite a bit today. So VIX is up 6.36%, 0.84 points. So we're at 14.04 VIX now, which is still really good, still very bullish and stable, but that has gone up. That is starting to rise, so we should keep an eye on that. But nothing to panic about just yet. Only 2 days of trading, but not a great start. All right. Let's do it. Not going to spend too much time here. We'll start on the green side. I don't see anything that significant. Chevron 1.9%, Disney 1%, Exxon 0.9, Google 0.6, Netflix 0.4. So yeah, Pepsi, Walmart barely in the green. So not much in the green here. Mostly just some value stocks and not much price action. So it seems like a very bearish day. Let's check out the red side. Yeah, so SOFI, we'll analyze this in a sec. That's down 14%. Go. AMC down 9%. Honorable mention. Crypto stocks down for the most part. MicroStrategy. And a lot of value down as well. Dollar General is down 6.5. Airlines, cruises, PayPal 4.6. Tesla 4. Walgreens 4. Ford 3.7. Target 3.1. Schwab 3, Coinbase 3, so yeah, this is pretty bloody. Worse than the indexes would suggest, I think. Nike 2.4, GM 2.2, a lot of red here. Pretty much everything in the red and pretty deep in the red as well. So yeah, bloodbath today. Really the only people winning could have been the Rainbow Bears. So congrats to us. Shout out to the fellow Rainbow Bears. About time, right? So yeah, pretty rough day for the Bulls and the Boomers, Apes. But you guys were pumping for the last 3 months, so share some tendies. All right, so today was a Rainbow Bear day for sure. Hope you guys didn't lose that much, and somehow hope you guys made some fat tendies. Again, really only possible if you're a short seller. But all right, moving on. So AERN is up to holding 340 now, consolidating. Not the greatest. Hopefully it tanks there. Yeah, still don't really see anything else, so we'll come back to this again. But yeah, once again, AERN is the big runner here. Post-market and ACON, but It's not that strong, and no shares left. All right, cool. So let's get on to crypto and the news now. One second. Head and shoulder forming. Good. Bearish indicator then. I didn't even look, but that is bearish indicator, so nice. All right. And let's do crypto and the news. Give this a second. Finish loading up. Ah, this is pretty bad, huh? Wow, today was pretty good. All right, here's crypto. That's down 4.7% today. Yeah, pretty bad day in crypto as well, it seems like. Red all around, bloodbath all around. Let's check it out. Bitcoin down 4.5%, under 43K. I think it hit 42, so maybe it bounced back a little. But yeah, down a lot there. Ether down 5.7, pushing 2,200. Solana 7%, XRP 6.5%, Cardano 7, Avalanche 8.4, Doge 9.3, Polkadot 7.3. So yeah, really, really rough day. Really red day, especially in value. Polygon 11%, Chainlink 6%, Sheeb 9%, Litecoin 10%, Bitcoin Cash 8.4. Yeah, really, really bad here. What up, Koya? What's up? Any plays? Yeah. There's a AREN. And still shares, and it's at a good price. It's at $340 right now. So AREN. Not financial advice. There's that, and ACON, which isn't that. I'm going to short that at 33 trying ACON. But there's no shares there. But yeah, AREN is the play right now, not financial advice. All right, cool. So let's sort this out. So green side, yeah, really not that many coins in the green here. We can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 coins in the green. What let's call it, 15% of the coins in the green here, and 85% in the red. So biggest gainers SEI, 20%. No value, really just ICP and Binance, only value coins. So yeah, not much going on green side, and 85% of the coins in the red side. Price action isn't as bad as I thought. Biggest loser is Luna Classic, 15%. But yeah, a lot of negative price action and a lot of value. Most of the coins in the red, so that would do it. Very, very bearish day in crypto today, and there's also a reason for that coming up now. We'll get to the news. But yeah, bearish day stock market, bearish day crypto. So not the greatest way to start 2024 for the bulls. Go. So yeah, congratulations to the Bears, and hope you guys didn't get too wrecked here. Today was pretty nasty day overall. All right. If you guys haven't yet, please smash the like button. Please, thank you. And let's get to some news. Only 2 articles today. One about the Fed minutes and one about Bitcoin ETFs. Let's do it. So Fed officials in December saw rate cuts likely, but path highly uncertain. Minutes show. So the Fed December minutes were today. December Fed meeting. Minutes meeting. So they agreed to hold the rate at benchmark rate at 5.25 and 5.5%. And they expect a 0.75% percent cut by the end of the year. And they don't know how or when or if it will happen. So I think they're being pretty honest. That's their goal, is to cut rates 2 or 3 times this year. But if it doesn't happen, it doesn't happen. they're gonna, monitor it as we go. But the consensus is that over the next 3 years, inflation will be back down to 2%. That is the goal. And honestly, they've done quite a good job from whatever it was, 11 to what is it now, 3-4%. So yeah, not much has changed, but they did meet. Plan is still the same, but they acknowledge that it may not go according 100% to plan. So whenever the Fed speaks, they're not up to games. They're not lying. They're they say it as it is, and for some reason the market doesn't really believe them a lot. But the man Jay Powell does what he says. He says he's gonna cut rates. He cut rates. He said he's gonna raise rates. He raised rates. Soft landing actually happened. So, yeah, here we are. So yeah, this year expect a 0.75% cut, which is bullish, and the next 3 years are supposed to be bullish. As they cut rates, inflation goes down more. All right, so yeah, there's that. Fed minutes, important stuff, and this is also pretty big news about crypto. So Bitcoin gives back Tuesday's New Year rally as traders weigh ETF decision, Fed policy. So Bitcoin gave back much of its gains from Tuesday rally when it reached its high level since April 2022. Investors cited some concern that the SEC wouldn't approve an ETF this year, as expected by many Bitcoin bulls. The market also scanned the latest Fed Reserve minutes meeting, which saw the central bank warn that rates may stay at a very restrictive stance for some time. And Richmond Fed President Barkin said interest rate hikes remain on the table. All right, so anyway, the big news is that a lot of people thought that Bitcoin ETFs were going to get approved this year, and it appears like they're all going to get rejected, at least this time around. So, the idea was that ETFs are going to get approved, and all these institutions are going to start buying in for the clients on these crypto ETFs, but it looks like that's going to have to wait for now. So I guess people were buying the news, buying the rumor, and selling the news now, or lack thereof news. But yeah, it looks like Bitcoin ETFs are going to be delayed for a little longer for the time being. All right, cool. And that's all our news for today. Let's get to our TA. So AERN still holding 330 here, 330, 340-ish. ACON pushing back to 33. What's this? Wave? Very low float. Yeah, so still just AERN, ACON. Really just AREN. Looks like some consolidation around 330 right now. Moment of truth. Maybe a bull flag. It kind of looks like it's curling. Not exactly thrilled here, but if this breaks 320 and then 3, we should be good on the red side. But looks like it wants to curl here. That's not that great. Oh, maybe not. All right, so let's do some TA. Again, BETS, SOFI, and anything else you guys want me to look at. But this should be pretty quick. We're doing really good on time here. So really short and chill show. All right, so BETS. So this gapped down yesterday. All right, so gapped down at 1 cent or 1.12 cents. So this should come back up to 1.12 cents. This is so sad. Why are you screaming moon on a literal penny stock? Literal penny stock. So I'm gonna keep on saying what I said yesterday. Technically, it does look bullish in the short term. Doesn't mean you should play it. No. I would just stay away from it altogether. Definitely wouldn't go short at this point. But it is a meme stock, and even going long is, probably not going to work out. So if you short it, you probably will make some money, a little bit of money, but it's not the greatest price. I wouldn't even bother with that. And if you can catch one of the next cycles, pumps, squeezes, you can make a good amount of money here, but not really investing. It's gambling, going for this one. So if you apes want to gamble, it's not a bad price, 1 cent. Oversold, undervalued according to the RSI, and it may come back to 3 to fill the gap, maybe even 1 to complete the cup. So not saying it will, but yeah, I'd avoid it unless you want to gamble on the long side. You can go long here on a swing trade, but yeah, so I think 1's a good entry, and not a bad idea to sell at 2 or 3. So short term, long would be the only appropriate play, I think, for this. Do it at your own risk. Again, it's a gamble more than an investment, so good luck there. Not financial advice. JFBR getting some action here. Getting wrecked on MOLN, the bid ask. Yeah, it's pretty wide. That is a 70-cent bid ask. So maybe in the future you might want to, reconsider going for extremely low float stocks like this. Can be really annoying sometimes. I'm stuck in one right now on PYPD. All right. So, yes, yeah, MOLN is actually getting up there now. Huh. Interesting. And so is AERN, pushing 340 now. Not great. All right, next let's do SOFI. We're gonna get out here real early today, so it's just this and two more YOLOs, and one of them's a meme. So should be out of here in like 10-15 minutes. All right, SOFI. So yeah, meme stock. Is there news here? I don't think there's news, but it did get some downgrades here. Keefe, Bruyette, and Woods downgrades to 650. Anyway, so let's check it out. First of all, this is a meme stock, so careful. It's one of the legit meme stocks. It's a meme stock, but it really shouldn't be, but it is. Anyway, so there's a gap way back at 550 that may cover. Not saying it will, but gaps at 550 and 6, so it may come back down there. And more gaps at 980 and 950, so it should come back down there. And gap at 1030 as well, so lots of gaps. Does look long-term bullish. Should be long-term bullish. Anyway, so gap down today. That's a bullish indicator. RSI at 43, so a little above, little below fair market value. That's slightly bullish. MACD is bearish. Cup and handle here. Well, it rejected. Anyway, so it kind of looks like a falling knife at the moment. It should be pulling back. a little more before it starts to reverse here, bounce and reverse. So too late to short, wouldn't do that, and little too early to go long, to be honest. So definitely wouldn't. Well, I wouldn't encourage shorting this, although you probably will make money because it's a falling knife right now, but already missed the big tendies, missed your shot. So here, I wish I drew some support and resistance. It'd make it easier, but so I think once this starts getting below 8, that'd be a pretty good entry. I think like 750 or 7 would be good entries. So yeah, that's how I play this. Try to catch this long at 750 or 7 for the long term buy and hold. And you can short this right now for a little tendies, but I wouldn't really recommend that. So yeah, I think this is an opportunity to buy and hold here. Get a good price at 7 or 750. Long term, not financial advice. This is this should be long term bullish. You know, it's not a total, it's a legit meme stock, like I said. All right, so there's that. JFBR is going up here. Hope we're not too late. Already out of shares. $3.29. Oh, we're gonna short. Has shares again, but we're gonna short at 461. We'll see if it hits. The high was 457, so we'll see if it hits. And already running low on shares, but JFBR is, hopefully that's a bull flag. JFBR, got a good amount of action here. Damn, bro, MOLN going. And a REN is back to $3. Very nice. WAVE Wave got some action here. I don't think Wave is gonna moon, but this other one, JFBR, might. All right, we'll come back to this. But yeah, new stock, JFBR, currently pushing 420, lol. ACON and AREN, stocks to go for right now. All right, let's get to the YOLOs. Let's finish the show up, and this shouldn't take too long. We should be out here in about 10 minutes. Very short and chill show today. All right, only 2 YOLOs today. Not sure what's up with Wall Street bets. They slacking. But first one is by T'other Canvas, 249. Cramer strikes again. So the crypto market one day after Jim Cramer claims Bitcoin is here to stay. So apparently yesterday he said he was bullish about Bitcoin. And it's gone.
And it's gone.
Never ever fails. Never fails. So yeah, Jim Cramer does strike again. Inverse Jim Cramer. Not literally, but tends to work. So shout out to Jim Cramer. Haven't made fun of him in a while. All right, and last one, and only play by Ear God. Not so regarded 100K put on Mara and Riot. Pre-market 1-3. Pre-market? You can't buy pre-market. BS sensor going off here. So I made about 500K on Marathon call options in December. Opened his put position on Marathon and Riot about a week ago and have been adding to the position. Bitcoin price is getting obliterated. Pre-market updates to follow. What was that? Oh, wow. JFBR. I'm in JFBR. It hit. You guys see it? You guys in? There's no more shares, but it fulfilled me. JFBR. All right, so we in here. Already in the red, but nice. Got a pretty nice hit here on JFBR. I'm in at 461. Cool. So, already going to the upside. Kind of getting wrecked, but cool. Just checking out my other plays real quick. All right, so we in there, JFBR. When should I cover that? 365? 361. 361. And order in. Yo! It's Marvin with the $5 super chat. What up, Marvin? Thank you very much. Appreciate that. Appreciate that. $5 super chat. Thank you very much, Marvin. Yeah, it's been a minute, dude. How you been? How you been? Appreciate you for stopping in. Yeah, hope you're grinding at life, doing well. Hope life is treating you well. Good health and wealth. And yeah, man. I know you're busy, and can't really be watching the show too much anymore. But you were here in the beginning. You was with me shooting in the gyms. So yeah, appreciate you, and thanks for the super chat. Happy New Year to you, and always a pleasure when you can stop in. First super chat of the year, yes. First super chat of the year, indeed. Thank you, Marvin. All right, cool. So JFBR still going here. It's actually looks kind of bullish at the moment. Anyway, all right, let's finish up here. So I think we reviewed this guy before. He made 500K on Marathon. All right, so he made 500K, and now he's going full Chad mode, trying to double dip the other way. So he bought calls, now he's buying puts. They expire February 16th. Kind of an FD, 1 month, 1.5 months. He's up quite a bit already. He's up about 20K. So he has puts for 14, 20, and 22, already up 14K. It's 100K YOLO up 14K. Expires February 16th. 14, 20, and 22 puts. Let's give him the money so far. Let's check it out. Marathon. Is it just Marathon? Is it Marathon and Riot? Did I read it wrong? It's just, it's Marathon 14. No, Riot 14, Marathon 20, and 22. All right, so Marathon. I like it. Probably should have went a little earlier at around 30. That's when this was super overbought, but yeah, gap at 20, so good chance this comes back down to 20 and more. So yeah, good strike. Not the greatest expiration, but pretty decent play. Good chance of working out. So should hit 22. Should hit 20. Will it hit there in a month and a half? We'll see. but good chance it does. It's not a bad play. It's pretty decent play. It's acceptable. And Riot is $14 Riot. So Riot, similar chart, doesn't look as strong or as weak as Marathon. So, but you know, $14 strike currently at 15. Not a bad play either. Certainly not terrible. Can't hate too much. Can't hate on it too much. So, yeah, decent plays up so far, 20K, 20%, 100K YOLO. Now, you could make the argument for cashing in here. I'd probably start hitting the sell button, personally. But hey, I'm not an ape. So, yeah, congrats so far. I'd personally start to cash out. Not the safest play, but we already know he's going to hold. And yeah, no matter what happens, please post updates. Thanks for posting. Congrats and good luck. Don't forget the video. All right, so last order of business video. Let me load this up real quick. So we're going to look at our favorite Alibaba guy's video. Let me pause. Volume off. All right, real quick, let's scan one more time, and we'll look at the video and get out of here. JFBR. JFBR is coming down already. Oh, wrong button. If you guys haven't yet, please smash the like button. Please, thank you. All right, so JFBR is down to 440, 450. So in the green there. Nice. Looks like it's starting to sell off. MOLN. Man, this one's tough. Nah, it's too low flow for me. I'm not going to go for that. But, yeah, glad JFBR is pulling back. AREN. Holding 310 here. And the ACON is holding 28, it looks like. So, yeah, we made 2 plays. Pretty happy with this. AREN, JFBR, both in the green. And also keep an eye on ACON. That's consolidating around 27, 28. Looks like it's going to break out here soon. Either to the upside or the downside. Going to be some big movement. All right. So let's do our video and get out of here. Almost 5 o'clock, so right on time. I'm not going to watch the video, but let's see his portfolio. All right, so he has Disney 60, 70 debit. Oh, yeah, see, so he's doing all the debit spreads. Excuse me. So he's playing it safe now. He's not a total ape anymore. He's doing covered calls. And he's doing debit spreads. So this is a good way to hedge your bets. This is not just FD anymore. That's why he lost 100K. And, but he's up 36%, 100% in the past year. 36K, 100% in the past year. Well done. So you see what happens when you do smart things like this. Spreads, covered calls, when you hedge your bets, when you use options for exactly what they're supposed to be for, instead of just FD YOLO, you actually get positive results. So I'm glad for this guy. I think he's still down overall, but yeah, dude, good for him. Good for him. Yeah. All right. Cool. All right. Last scan, and we out of here. Throat is mad dry. Marvin, I don't know if you're still here, but looks like you changed your profile photo too. You got braids now? That's tough, dude. I like it. All right. Let's finish up here. So, JFBR pulling back down to 420, 415. Nice. So already up 400 there. And going to cover that at 360. And AREN currently up 200. Still sitting a little above $3 there. Yeah, so nothing really changed. So if anything else happens post-market, I'll let you guys know on Discord. But yeah, as of right now, JFBR, kind of MOLN. I personally wouldn't go for that. AREN, and ACON. Yes. All right, and with that, I think we will get out of here, guys. So I think I made more tendies here since the post-market started. Yes, I did. So I was up 7.6K. Now I'm up 8.2K. So I made about, well, it's very volatile, but I am up a couple $100 more than I was before. About 500, we'll just call it. And post-market's not over yet, so, you know, hopefully, yeah, JFBR is still pulling back. So, yeah, cool. So, like I said, if anything else happens, I'll let you guys know on Discord, and if not, I will catch you guys tomorrow. But, yes, very bearish day. Sorry to you bulls, you apes, but, hey, you guys were winning for 3 months, you know, gotta expect pullback sometime, right? And Rainbow Bears have been bleeding like crazy. Things are calming down. Looks like we can safely make tendies again, or relatively safely make tendies again. You don't have to get worried about getting squeezed out every 2 days, every other day. That ridiculous stuff not really happening anymore. Later, Super Newbie. Appreciate you, as always. All right, JFBR down to under $4. It broke $4. So, yeah, I'm already up quite a bit, over 500 bucks. Need 40 more cents to the downside, and we out of there. All right, yeah, so let's get out of here, guys. Camera's a little off-center today. I gotta fix that. My apologies. All right, cool. And I'm gonna attempt to keep up with the vlogs again. Try to put one out either tonight or tomorrow. All right, cool. Yep, and that's all I got for today. So let's get out of here, guys. Yep, cool. All right. Thanks, everyone, for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please like the video. Please subscribe and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Speculation Show. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Speculation. See you guys tomorrow. Peace out. What does this button do? No, never mind. All right, later, guys.